The Ministry of Gender, Children and Social Protection is calling for input into its intersectoral standard operating procedure to bridge the gap between formal child protection policy and community governance structures. The policy document seeks to strengthen community child protection systems to enable evidence-based resolutions.
The policy seeks to strengthen community child protection systems to enable evidence-based resolutions to child protection.
Over the years, government has done so well with regards to policies that are geared towards promoting the rights of the child. Some of the issues are best understood with the kids when they hear people speak their own language or their own dialect, when they understand it from the mother's point of view and from a government official's point of view. So I think these are ways that we can collaborate as a people.
The document is in books, is on shelves. That is not the purpose of policies. Policies are made so that we will break it down to the level of the community and the users and the beneficiaries of the policy to have access to the information. So my suggestion now is that we increase the process or we change the status quo and then try and get the community leaders in there in the system and part of the process. This will be very great and it will encourage them to do more.
The policy categorizes two levels of child protection issues: criminal cases such as sexual violence, kidnapping and child labor, which should be reported to the police, and challenges which are not of a criminal nature, such as cultural misunderstandings and parent-child communication challenges, which should be resolved at the community level with the guidance of the policy document. According to the Acting Director of Children, Madam Florence Eisi-Korte, the roles of government and community officials with regard to child protection have been clearly defined by the policy. On censorship of media content, she adds parents and guardians must take primary responsibility.
The law gives powers to community structures, including district assemblies, and it gives different powers to our legal systems. So we need to ensure that everybody works within their limits. So when we are talking about community protection, we are looking for protection for cases that are what we call minor offenses by children. So that we are talking about counseling issues, we are talking about settling of disputes between children and families that is not criminal in nature.
This year's Children's Day celebration, themed Role of Community-Based Structures in Protecting the Rights of Children, was supported by UNICEF, World Vision and Plan International, and attended by students of the St. Barnabas Anglican Basic School.